Hi, Jace.
Visit Mama Chai at work.
Hello.
Ay, visit Mama Chai at work.
Pogi, oh.
Hello, you visit. He's
Are you
smiling
applying
ate.
for a
He's
job?
smiling. Are you applying for a job?
Ikaw ang tinitignan.
Are you
niya.
applying here?
Gwapo naman ng
Mm-hmm.
future, product advisor ng McLeod Trail Toyota.
Ay, oh, sleepy pa ikaw. Ay, sleepy. Ay,
Tita mo ni.
sleepy pa ikaw. Oh, hello you. Hello kitty. Hello you. Why?
Gusto ko naman yun. Ate, pinidal yan.
Happen to have like a payment with that, right?
You look like mommy.
Oh, this is Ying.
Here?
Yeah.
She's downstairs.
Okay.
Oh my God!
Look at him.
Relaxing na.
Future product advisor of Henninger, McLeod Trail Toyota. He knows who has money. He's looking at Jay. He knows who has money. Our future
Product advisor.
product advisor or GM? So guwapo naman yung bebe na yan. He's so guwapo.
Oh, you're sleepy. It's her fault. It's her fault. So you need to make him sleepy.
Say hi! Hi, followers! So guwapo ng apo, no? That is magkamukha kayo. Original mom.
Baby, I was on my window. My face was up. Oh my God, it's a baby. Hi.
Ay, Mama Chay.
Ay, guwapo. Ayan. Guwapo.
Hello.
Anong binili mo sa sakyan? Ha?
Tundra.
Tundra or Land Cruiser?
Land Cruiser gusto mo? Land Cruiser.
Smile! Smile naman dyan.
Naantok. Ayun.
Wala, nasa na? Pogi! Magkamukha ba yung magnanay?
JC.
Jace, how are you?
Hello, JC.
Visiting the Toyota.
Resisting Toyota.
Okay, bye!
Bye.